You have got to see this guy. Say hi, buddy. Hey, how you doing, big boy? How you doing, big boy? Huh? Oh, you smell that food, don't you? Huh? You smell that food, don't you? Hey, let's see what we got here. Here, hang on just a second. Let's see if this will work. We'll see this. Now that's a big boy. This is over on the south side of your property toward Mrs. Farmer on the same side of the road as your place. Look at all these billy goats. Daddy! Oh, that feels so much better now. Hey, come here, big boy. Come here, big boy. Come here. Oh, you're a pretty boy. One day I'm going to learn not to stick my hand in cages where, or pen through fences where there's doggies and get myself bit again. Yeah. Yeah. You're a pretty thing. You're a big old pretty thing. You know that? Yeah. You're a big old pretty thing. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And you stay out here all by yourself? Just you and these little worthless goats? Huh? Hey, boy, I tell you what, that must be a rough life. Can't even find you a girl dog, huh? I tell you what, can you shake? Huh? Can you shake? Give me that foot. Come on. Can you shake? Huh? Can you shake? Come on. Come on. Give me that foot. Give me that foot. Huh? No, you don't want to shake? You don't want to shake? I wonder what your name is. They call you the sheep herder or the goat herder? Huh? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Here's on number 25, or is that 2.5? Are you a 2.5 goat or a 25 goat? I think you're a 25. And there's a 73, and a 59, and a 10. Good number, my old race number. And a 00. And what's your number? What's your number? I gotta go. I gotta get back to civilization. I gotta get back to civilization. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yeah. My goodness. You're a pretty thing. You are a big old pretty thing. You know that? Yes, you are. Pretty teeth. Got nice clean teeth. Yeah. All right. I gotta go. Maybe somebody come feed you, okay? Bye-bye.